Hi, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tavleen, and as you all know that Eid is around the corner. So for today's video, I created this Eid makeup look. And if you want to know how I created this look, then without further ado, let's get on into the video.
So, to start with, I'll be using the Biotique Bio Cucumber Toner to tighten my pores, and also it will help me remove any dirt or previous makeup residue from my face. Once I'm done with this, I'll use the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel to moisturize my face, and believe me guys, it works wonders for your skin. And I don't want my lips to get chapped after I apply lipstick. Hence, I'm moisturizing my lips using the Canola Honey Lip Balm from Innisfree. Now, I'm using the Wet n Wild Eyebrow Pencil to fill in my eyebrows. This is in the shade Ash Brown. Guys, I know that it looks a bit messy right now, but don't worry, I'll be cleaning them soon. I'm using the Essence eyeshadow base to clean the brows and also to prime my lids. Like, I'll blend it with the sponge, and the residue which is left on the sponge, I'll use it to prime my lids. For my eye makeup, today I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Stripped and Bare palette. I'm using the mauvish brown shade all over my lid. Once I'm satisfied with the blending, I'll then be using the dark purple shade from the palette to darken my crease. It will actually give me a bit more definition on my eyes. For my eyeliner today, I'm using the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. The brush of this liner is very precise. I feel that one can ace a perfect winged eyeliner with this because it has such a precise brush. Now my eyeliner is almost done, and I'll be starting with the base makeup. I'll be correcting any darkness or any spot on my face using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer Corrector in the shade Medium Tawny. Moving on to foundation, today I'll be using the Lotus Matte Glow Daily Foundation with SPF 20 in the shade Pure Radiance. As I just said that this foundation has SPF 20, so if you're going out in the sun, you can also skip using a sunscreen, but it's just a personal choice. And I've taken a bit more of foundation just because I felt that the coverage was a bit less. I'm dragging the remaining foundation on my neck. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer to highlighten under my eyes and also any other area on my face which I want to brighten up. I'll be contouring my face using the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. This powder is on the warmer side, I mean that it's more of a bronzer than a contouring powder. It adds a very nice sun-kissed bronze look to your face. I'll also be contouring my nose with the same powder. Once I'm satisfied, I'll then move on to loose powder. Today for loose powder, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light. I'll use it under my eyes just to avoid any creasing, and also I'll use it along my jawline just to sharpen my contour. For my waterline, I'll be using the Plum Natural Studio All Day Wear Kohl. It's a very intense black kajal and it doesn't smudge the entire day. But today I want to create a bit of a smudged look, so I'll smudge it myself. I'll use a precise blending brush to smudge this out, and also I'll be using the mauvish brown shade which I use on my lid to smoke the kajal out. And now it's already been 5 to 7 minutes that I've applied the loose powder, and I have a dry skin, so I prefer not applying the powder too much. So I'll just dust the powder off my skin. Now using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, I'll just pop a bit of flush on my cheeks. And I'll set my face using the setting spray from LA Girl. And before the spray is all dried out, I'll just boop my nose using a bit of a highlighter. I'm using no separate highlighter, I'm just using the champagne shade from the eyeshadow palette I used today to create this look. I'll apply highlighter on all the high points of my face. Now for my lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade 690, that is Serene and Scarlet. And yeah, so I feel that the look is completed, and I'll just be adding some earrings. I'll pull forward a few strands of my hair. Also guys, I realized I forgot to apply the mascara, and I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to complete the look. I'll just be completing this and revealing you guys the complete look. So guys, this is the complete look, and that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, a very happy Eid to all of you, and thank you for watching. Once again, I would say Eid Mubarak to all of you.